Okay, so thank you all for joining. And yeah, I did not talk. Cello M4. That's the name showing here. I did not see anything. I was mute, all right, but now I'm talking. Thank you all for joining. So this was the trade yesterday. This was the trade we took yesterday. It was easy, very simple, and this is the system. Since yesterday, I haven't traded. For me, I only need 30 minutes a day to make money or lose money. Do you understand? I have 30 minutes a day to trade. I don't really come to the chart London session, come to the chart Asian session, and all of that. I only come to the chart New York session. And it is not just a New York session. I don't only trade New York session, but I trade in NYSE news release. And that is what I trade. If you can see, this was the trade yesterday. It was successful. I took the both side. I said when price get to this key level yesterday, if price get to this key level for 48,823.6, we should look for a selling opportunity here. Right. So price got there yesterday, we short. And for transparency's sake, just like what I dropped in the group, right? On one of my accounts, it was lost. I don't know how that happens. You understand? I don't know if it did not get to 1 to 2 or something, but on here, it get to 1 to 2. In other account, it got to 1 to 2, right? But on this one right now, after this, I took advantage of that buy again. Now, it is not just coming here to trade. You understand? It is not just coming here to trade, but you are also learning the strategy I use, and also learning the way I approach the market. All right. So now sometimes it don't just happen like this every time. I do not just take 1 to 2, like to the upside, the downside every time. You know, sometimes I focus more on buying opportunity, right? Because USDT is always buying. And like I told you guys, sometimes we hold for 1 to 10 if we want to hold, right? And with this system, you can use it to grow small account. Trust me, I don't want to go there yet, just yet. But that's just it. Yesterday, if at all we decide to hold, this is what we'll be experiencing. Even though we want to hold till 1 to 10, we would have made 10% on account yesterday. That's if you're trading your account based on percentage. All right. So now I'm going to have to clean up this chart real quick and go to the daily time frame. Let me enlarge this chart so that you all can see well. Um, So now this is the daily time frame on US30, right? And I start my top down analysis from the daily time frame, right? So now, as you guys can see, we have US30 on a bullish move. Anything we've seen here is just a retracement. We've been experiencing a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher highs and a higher low, higher high, higher low, and also price decide to drop here and start giving us series of higher highs and higher lows again. Higher highs and higher lows, higher highs drop, and we start experiencing higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a higher low. Then we have a high which came to respect this resistance here, which give us a resistant drop and give us a support here. Push to the upside, give us a higher high and a higher low. Then we have a highs that have been reacting on this level for several weeks now. All right, yesterday have been consolidating for weeks now, just like this, all right? So now, as you guys can see right now, we have a bullish candle here. Let me widen this thing. So we have a bullish candle here, right? Just like this. This is a bullish candle, and this is a bullish engulfing on the daily time frame. If I go to the 4 hour time frame now, as you all can see, this is also a bullish engulfing candle. All right. Now it is just moving. Sorry, it was a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, and in 4 hour time frame, it's a bullish move. All right. 1 hour is going to be bullish. 15 minutes is going to be bullish, and 5 minutes is going to be bullish. But we don't know what the price is going to be doing today. So we just have to do is to quickly do our top down analysis and see what the price will be giving to us. So in the next 14 minutes here, we will be making decision if we should be executing US30, if we should be longing US30, or we should be shorting US30. So I'm going to first of all mark the daily support and the daily resistance, all right? Support here. So now, guys, this is it. I took this key level from here. Do you understand? I just took it to the back for you guys to know that it has respected this level before, just like this. Right. If not, I'm not looking at that back. I'm looking at the front here. You understand? So I look for what the market is currently doing. But this is the system, right? Even though we're trading on the smaller time frame, on the 5 minute time frame, even though we are executing trade on the 5 minute time frame, it doesn't mean we won't do top down analysis from the bigger time frame. All right. I just want you guys to know that. And that is the most reason why people are failing. You understand? Because the wrap up analysis on smaller time frame and the take trade on smaller time, they do their top down analysis on smaller time frame, take trade on smaller time frame, and that's not helping. Trust me. You feel me? You can only make good money when you're trading on the when you're looking at what the market is doing from above, right? Then I'm just going to bring this one a daily key level, all right? But I can also take it up there. So now this is the 4 hour time frame, and what are we seeing here? Price is moving sideways, all right? So I'm going to have to take this one away, just like this. Yeah. So now we'll have a daily support and we'll have a daily resistance. Right now on the 4 hour time frame, we are left with sideways move, just like this. We are left with what? A sideways move. Now, if we are trading on a bigger time frame, this would have been a very difficult. If we are executing trade on a bigger time frame, this would have been a very difficult situation for us to execute trade, right? But right now, since we are executing trade on the smaller time frame, we don't really care if it's consolidating or not, right? So this is going to be H4. Why did I plot that key level there? Because we have a resistance here. It's currently a resistance here. Price broke, pulls back, turn it into a support here, a support here, all right? So price broke it, turn it into a resistance, drop to the downside, pull back again, drop and retest it, turn it into a support, a support, a support. And right now, price finally took it up. Right. So now let's continue. If you notice from here, if you take a Fibonacci from the swing low, just like this, you take a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, just like this. Now, for me, I pay attention to golden levels, and the golden level I pay attention to, their 6-1 is 0.5, because the instrument I've been trading, right? I've been trading US30, and US30 respect only these Fibonacci golden levels here. This one 0.5 and 618. That is the golden level Fibonacci pay attention to. So there's no need of me bringing all those other golden levels together. They are not golden levels for me because they are not working for me. Do you understand? Those are the ones that works for me. 0.5 and also 618. So now this is going to be the next resistance. I'm going to take it from here, just like this. That's going to be the next resistance. And right now, that's to say if price is dropping, price now, just before we continue, we have a key level here, right? We have a key level here, which is we experience a higher high, we may experience a higher low around this level. That's to tell you that on the smaller time frame, if price is coming to this level to retest, so I'm going to make this one H4 POI, H4 POI key level. POI is the point of interest where we wait for price to come to and react to so that we can execute our trade. All right. Now, if we are expecting price, we don't know if price will be coming there. This is just an analysis. We don't even know if price will really be coming there or not. Right? We are just doing what the market is giving to us, is giving us. So now, if price is coming here, what do you expect from the smaller time frame? You look to short to this level. But what if price refuse to come down there and price decide to go up? You look too long around here. I'm even waiting for price, like I'm waiting for the day price is going to take out this key level. Then it will be like if price take out this key level, trust me, we are going to start making so much money from USD because price is moving to the upside. We'll be targeting a higher risk to reward 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. And yeah, on this one, since price is consolidating, we can't really target much high risk to reward like that, right? So we're just targeting a 1 to 2 here. So I'm just waiting for price to take out that key level and we are good to go. One thing that you just need to know is that look, you don't need too much work in order for you to make money from this market. Do you understand? You don't need too much work in order for you to make money. Okay, now I can hear you. Thank you. You don't need too much work in order for you to make money from this market. I want you guys to know that you don't need too many strategy. You only need one strategy, one system. Do you understand? You only need one strategy and you are good to go. You need one strategy, one trading instrument, which is one pair, and also one trading strategy, one pair, one session. And trust me, you're just good to go, bro. You are good to go. Do you understand? So there's no need of trading too many instruments that is not even useful. there is money to be made in one instrument. No, don't even waste your time on too many instruments. But the instrument that you've been trading, have you been making money from it? So I'm just telling you the secrets now. What made me profitable? What made most people that I did one-on-one mentorship with? What made them profitable? Do you understand? So focusing on one thing is one of the best thing to do in this market. You are not going to be a jack of all trade and master of none. When you'll be taking today you're trading currency, tomorrow you're trading stock with USDT. So the next tomorrow let's say you're using a break and retest today this week. Next week you're trading a breakout, and the other week you're trading something else, bro. You're going to waste your time, like for real. You just be wasting your time just like that. And we don't really have time to be wasting. Like check how many check how long, how many years or how many months you've been learning how to trade, but you've not gotten the right information yet. You understand? Those like time is just going. We don't have time on our end. Feel me? We don't have time on our hand. So now we have this POIK level of 49,000, 0.95.3, which is where we are expecting price to get to before we can look, which is where we are expecting price to get to before we look for a bullish move, before we look for a buy right now. If we are waiting for price to get to that level, do we keep waiting for price here, or we take advantage of the smaller time frame? That's the question. Or we take advantage of the smaller time frame. Are we going to wait until price get to that level? No, hell no, we are not waiting. You feel me? And that is why we are taking advantage of the smaller time frame. For me, with this system I'm using, I can scalp US30. This is scalping we are doing currently on the live trading. I can day trade US30. I can swing US30. You understand? So there is money to be made in one pair. You don't need so many pair. One pair, you're good to go. One pair, one strategy, one trading session. Like for those of you that are here before that joined early, if you noticed, I only have like I'm just cleaning the chart of yesterday. That is because I did not get back to this chart anymore. After that yesterday profit, I did not get back to it. You understand? After yesterday profit and after journaling, I did not get back anymore. For me, I still journal my trade, all right? I journal my trade, learn from my mistakes, and that is what you should be doing as a trader. Because you don't have a boss in this market, so you do anything you like at any time you want, and that is the use of trading journal, all right? So let's see what the 5 minute time frame hold for us. We have how many minutes to go? We have 5 minutes to make decision if we should be longing US30 or we should be shorting US30. We have 5 minutes to go. Okay, guys, I'm going to change that color to 5 minutes. Hold on. Okay, should I put this one here? Okay. Does it make sense with this current market? Okay. We just have few minutes to go, guys. We just have few minutes to go. I just want you guys to see how I am analyzing, taking advantage of the market. All right. This is how I analyze. This is how I look at the market. Do you understand? This is how I approach the market, and this is free information that I am giving to you guys right now. Yeah. Okay. So for those of you that contacted me yesterday, I guess it's from the live stream yesterday, that wants a mentorship. I don't really do mentorship for now, which is a group mentorship for now. I only have my one-on-one mentorship available. Other than that, I am not doing any other mentorship for now. Now, this strategy right now that we have here is very, very simple. You understand? This strategy we have here right now, it's one of the most simplest strategy system that you should be using to grow your small account. We all started from small account. We all started from $10. You understand? We all started from $10 account. So I am not expecting anybody to come fund $100,000 to start trading at the first time and all of that, because if you check from the background, I can say the people that can fund $100,000 or even $10,000 at the first time, they are not much. You understand? They are not many. There will just be few. For me, because we all started from I'm saying this, and I also modify this strategy for those of us that have little money. Do you understand? I want to grow our account, but don't. Let's say if you're trading on a bigger time frame, there's no way you will grow your account quickly. Do you understand? If you are trading on a bigger time frame, there's no way you quickly grow your account. It won't even grow quick. Do you understand? Because you are trading on a bigger time frame. How would you be trading on a bigger time frame, seeing one trade a week, 1 to 2 trade a week, three sometimes, and you want to grow your account quickly? You can actually do it, but all you require is patience. Do you understand? And how long would you be patient growing small account? That is why you see many people trading profits like that. Do you understand? Some people don't even like profits, but just for the sake of capital, that is why you see many people trading profits. So guys, in the next 2 minutes, we'll be making decision if we should be buying US30 or we should be selling US30. Let's get ready. I'm not seeing any structure for like the market is not giving us any structure for sale, right? So I'm going to look to buy above this level. Now, I'm just telling you guys now, you can plot, you can put your limit order for buys above this key level of 49,456.2. Now go to the 5 minute time frame and see this one now, because brokers may be different. You understand? Brokers number, different broker with their different calculation, right? So you may have different brokers. Guys, this is where I'll be looking for buys if the market want to buy above this key level of 49,472.6. Yeah, that is where I'll be buying the market from. For now, we are not seeing anything like sell because there's no structure here for us to wait for the 9:30 breakout. All right, so in the next 24 seconds, we will be executing US30, but we don't know. Let us see where it will head to first. All right. Let's see what will happen, guys. I wanted us to buy from there because okay, now it is time and it is moving. Now, trading view do lag sometimes. I just want you guys to know that. Check your MetaTrader 5. Yeah, check your MetaTrader 5, and sometimes price will be up and trading view will be down. So I want you guys to know that. So when price get to that level above, guys, we are longing US30. When price get to that level, and price is currently close to that level, but let's see how it goes. Guys, trading view is very, very, very slow here right now. From what I'm seeing, trading view, it's like it's not moving that fast, and price is currently at this level right now. You understand? That is why I'm telling you to check your. Okay, now you can see the way it's moving slow. Check your MetaTrader 5 whenever I tell you that we should be looking to buy here. Okay, I mean on the buy. These people did not execute me. Why? Why? Guys, US30 has gone far to the upside, and this is where trading view is standing. I don't know why it's US30 is currently here, and I don't know what's wrong with trading view. And my broker did not execute me. Why? Wow. What happened? Guys, price is just around here right now. I don't know what's wrong with trading view. I don't know what's wrong with trading view. Price is above that level right now, but trading view is just somewhere below. What's happening? Um, guys, if you are in this trade, please can I see if you're in this trade and where I ask you guys to buy from, can I see W in the comment section? Because price is above, like price is up above here. I told you guys to buy from. All right, price is above that level, but my broker, I can't execute. I don't know why. Um, okay, just imagine, guys, just imagine. This is where we wanted to buy from. This is it, and price has gone for 1 to 2. Okay, price has gone from 1 to 2 already, and my broker did not execute me, guys. Price gone for 1 to 2. If you execute from here, then you would have been out for around 1 to 2, or closed due to spread. Would have been out for 1 to 2 or closed due to spread. All right, and price is currently heading to that level right now. Price may drop, retest around this level and start heading to the upside, or it may continue heading here just like that. All right, so guys, this is the system. It is very, very simple. Trading view, my broker did not allow me to execute this trade. I don't know why. But you should be out for 1 to 2 right now. You should be out for 1 to 2 right now if you execute the trade where I ask you to execute from, right? Um, Guys, if you execute this trade, please can I see W in the comment section, because there's no retracement at all that will get you into loss, all right? You would have been out for 1 to 2, and my broker did not execute me. I don't know why. I don't just know why. Trust me. But if you're here, did you if you execute this trade, can I see W's in the comment section? If you execute this trade, can I see W's in the comment section? Because this is a clean 1 to 2, right? So now we may experience a retracement just like this to this level, or maybe just like this to this level. Then price will continue pushing to the upside, right, guys? If you execute this trade, can I see W in the comment section? Executing. Okay, guys. We should be out of here today for today. But just before we go, right, I'm going to share something real quick with you all. Now, if you want to find, like, if you want to understand this system, it is very, very simple, easy to use, right? All you just have to do um, is to now. How do you execute peacefully? Now, you will have two devices, right? Which is where you join the live stream, and the other one for your execution, right? Now, but if you don't have two devices, this is what will happen, right? If I tell you that, okay, I am looking to buy US 30 around here, just like yesterday and today, I am looking to buy US 30 around here, go there, place your limit order, your buy limit, or that should be buy stop. Place your buy stop, right? Place your buy stop around here, then put your stop loss and your take profits. Target a realistic 1 to 2 and you're good to go. That is just how the system works. Very, 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 very extremely simple. Do you understand? But if you have two devices, you can join here with me, and you can join here when I say let's long US 30 with long US 30. Like, guys, that is how the system works. It is very, very simple. Even to grow your small account, trust me, it is very, very simple. What baffles me right now is that my broker did not execute me. and this trade went from 1 to 2, and I am still seeing this trade to push all the way of more than this. I'm still expecting it. Did I delete something here? Okay, so I'm still expecting price around this level. Yeah, I'm expecting price around that level. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, guys. So, guys, that is just the simple way to trade this system. That's broker manipulation. Yeah, I don't even understand why they did not execute me. And price has gone up already. Enter. I couldn't enter the trade anymore, guys. This is just the system. Very, very simple, easy to understand. Now, just for those of you that might miss the trade, this is how we trade. All right. Now, like I said, if I ask you to buy around this level, you place your buy limit there. Do you understand? So you put your stop loss and you take profit. And if at all you did that, I said it yesterday to you, that have been up for 1 to 2. And if you execute around this level, you would have still been up for 1 to 2. And if you still want to hold, then you can still continue holding, right? Because I'm still seeing price here. This is where I'm seeing price. Do you understand? This is where I'm seeing price to get to today. If that candlestick push to the upside and close with the body candle, then that is where we are expecting price today to get to. Do you understand? So it is very, very, very simple, guys. Simple. It a fucking simple system. All right. It is simple system. And if you're here watching this video and if you want to learn more about this system, like I said, I don't do a group mentorship for now. It is only one-on-one mentorship. You would love to apply for a one-on-one mentorship, then click on the link in the description box to join our mentorship. And if you want to send me a message, you go to my Telegram and send me a message. Other than that, guys, we call it a day from here. Right? Call it a day from here. Peace. Okay, guys, before we call it a day, you can see price is still shooting to the upside, right? Price is still pushing to the upside, and that is where I'm expecting price today. And yeah, call it a day from here. If you have a question, you can send to me in the Telegram group. Peace, guys.